Ito ang Biyahe by DJ Lala Banderas.
Hi love, back with me DJ Lala para sa ating programang Biyahe. Nako, eto na ang unang paraan para malaman ang tunay na motibo ng isang tao, my love. Simple lang. Ask them. You don't have to believe in every word they say, but by asking kasi it can make you understand them. Yan kasi ang kulang sa mga tao ngayon the ability to ask the right questions. Most of us takot. Kasi hindi naman po rude ang magtanong ng motibo ng isang tao Like what I've said, ang salitang motibo literally means the reason behind doing something. So if the intentions are genuine, there's really no problem in answering this question. People who take offense sa tanong na ano bang motibo mo usually are 1, up to no good, and 2, makitid ang pangunawa sa salitang motibo. So love, take note that sometimes in order to get the answer that you need para kilatisin ang isang tao, you don't have to do multiple things. You just have to learn to ask the right questions. Klaro? Ikalawang paraan para malaman ang motibo ng isang tao, my love. Exercise your own judgment. Love, the last line of defense mo in order to protect yourself from being hurt by other people is yourself. Kaya nga natin sinasabi, di ba, paulit-ulit sa programa natin na no one can hurt you unless you allow them to. So kapag may mga taong questionable yung kinikilos para sa'yo, ask yourself, ano bang reputation ng taong to sa akin at sa iba pang kakilala ko? May nagawa ba siya sa past to justify yung hinala ko? Meron na bang tao sa nakaraan na nagpakita ng exact same na kilos and ended up in my bad side? These questions will help you understand where to look kapag hinahanap mo yung motibo ng isang tao. I am not teaching you to be paranoid, my love. I am teaching you how to protect yourself against people who can possibly take advantage of you. Sabi ko nga sa'yo some people will walk into your life with the best intentions but some won't. So if you can't rely on anyone else, at least man lang magiging kalmado ka with the thought na you can rely on yourself to make the appropriate judgment on people who walks into your life. Klaro? Aawat muna tayo sa ating biyaheng motibo kasi medyo may kikilatisin tayo na kakaibang pinadala sa atin sa Biyahe Center for tonight. Itago na lang daw natin siya sa pangalang The Great Pretender. Iba din. Well, eto na nga. Hi DJ Lala, I hope mabasa niyo po ito. Nakikinig po ako right now, may gusto lang po akong sabihin sa isang taong pinakamamahal ko even though she is with someone else na po. Itago niyo na lang po ko sa pangalang The Great Pretender. To my beloved girl, Louise Jillian. I hope that you are doing well. I hope that you are okay. I miss you like crazy. And I'm still longing for you, still waiting and still loving you silently. I hope that you and your boyfriend are happy, and I'm happy for the both of you. I'm always praying for your safety and happiness. I'm still hoping na makita ka. Not now, but someday. Sa panahon na parehas na tayong masaya sa landas na tinatahak natin na magkaiba. Thank you so much, Miss Lala Banderas. Grabe! Sabi! Nakakaloka indeed, di ba? May mga araw na ginagawa niyo akong lawyer, may araw na doctor, kadalasan marriage counselor, ngayon naman messenger. Ano na te? Pero kung sino ka mang nag-send nito though, I have to give it to you. You are indeed a hopeless romantic and makata to say the least. Pero love, ito just an unsolicited advice. Please stop doing this. If you are truly happy for her and you don't mean to do any harm sa current relationship niya, you'll stop this kind of tactics. This is sweet sa totoo lang but highly inappropriate, my love. If you had the chance to say what you truly feel sa babaeng to nang wala pa siyang iba, you could have done that. If this girl was a part of your past, you could have done better to work things out with her para hindi siya nawala sa'yo. And if this girl was once your everything but she chose to run away, then let her go and save yourself some dignity. Kasi love, yung sinasabi mo na I'm still hoping na makita ka, not now but someday, sa panahon na parehas na tayong masaya sa landas na tinatahak nating magkaiba, does not make any sense at all. Why would you want to see the person you were in love with kapag meron ka ng kapiling na iba? Again, I know that this was intended to be sweet and all, but love, this action contradicts every word that you just said. If you are genuinely happy for someone you love who is now happy with someone else, you'll just let them be, not only silently, but without actions as well. No going public with what you feel hiding on a screen name, pero announcing her name. Love, be happy for her while moving on from her. If she found her happiness, maybe it's time for you that you find one for yourself too. Acknowledge the pain and the fact of losing her without giving yourself this false hope of one day crossing paths again with her. Sa pelikula lang tong mga eksenang to, my love, or to say the least sa Korean novela. In real life, dalawa lang ang senaryo kapag nakasalubong mo yung taong dati mong minahal habang kasama mo yung bago. It's either dededmahin mo to spare your new one sa awkward moment, or ma-realize mong you are still in love with your past in pain. Claro? So Mr. The Great Pretender, stop pretending. Live your life, accept the fact, let go, and move on. Claro? Well, I hope Mr. Pretender na realize mo na kung ano yung mali sa konteksto nito. I mean, walang mali sa mismong mensahe. That is so sweet, so romantic and everything, nakakakilig and all that. But yung konteksto kasi, yung laman kasi ng mga sinasabi mo, it contradicts the action you just did. So if I were you, just contemplate on your feelings, accept na wala na siya sa buhay mo, and just move on with your own life. One day you will find someone who will love you the way you love her. I know that day will come, but that will only come if you'll accept and let her go. Okay? Sa mga kabisyo natin katulad ni Mr. Pretender na gusto ding humingi ng payo sa ating programa, all you have to do is send your problems over my Facebook page, DJ Lala Banderas, or text our biyahe text line 0917-851-4329. Mukhang nasa dulo na tayo ng ating biyahe ngayong gabi, pero bago natin igarahe ang ating biyaheng motibo, eto na ang huling paraan to know a person's motive. Use the judgment of others. Love, hindi tayo laging nasa tamang kondisyon to carry out a judgment. Most of the time, clouded yung thoughts natin or nag-overthink tayo. This is when handy magkaroon ng mga trusted people around you. Kasi they can see people without bias. People you trust to make the right call for you dahil they care about you. So love, invest on people with time and memories para you can have someone to have your back sa mga oras na hindi mo kayang protektahan yung sarili mo. You get me? Because sometimes when we are too happy, hindi natin makita alin ang peke sa totoo. Claro? Nako, sa mga kabisyo natin, I think that's it for me this Monday evening. Kaya sana marami po kayong natutunan. And of course, if you want more learnings about life, judgment, romance, and all, you can always check out my biyahe episodes sa Love Radio YouTube channel. Punta lang kayo sa playlist, hanapin ninyo ang biyahe. Or you can always follow my socials, DJ Lala Banderas, for a variety of content. Okay? Pwede nyo ko i-follow sa Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and like DJ Lala Banderas yan, okay? Nakasama nyo po DJ Lala Banderas at ang aking programang biyahe, ang programang Sakto, Claro, Diretso. Hatid sa inyo ng 90.7 Love Radio, GVGV lang, walang hate, puro love lang. Good night everybody, I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Bye! Love you!
Always your number one SM radio station. Love Radio.
Love, kung natuwa ka sa aming video, i-click mo na yung subscribe button at yung notification bell para naman notified ka sa mga bago naming videos.